Meet our expert teacher who will guide you through Pakistan's education system and its recent developments. Education challenges in Pakistan. Pakistan faces issues in access and quality, affecting students across the nation. Efforts to improve are ongoing. Recent developments in education. Increased digital learning initiatives, curriculum modernization, teacher training programs, and enhanced infrastructure in rural schools. Bridging gaps in education. These efforts help bridge gaps and improve educational outcomes across Pakistan, making learning more inclusive and effective. Summary. While challenges remain, ongoing reforms show promise for a stronger, more equitable education system in Pakistan. Thank you for exploring Pakistan's education journey with us. Stay informed and support educational growth.